Mina ngeke understand ngeke ngifonela ngathi Chom ngi-stranded ngicela ukuza ku.
Okay, wait. Mina, you never called me. What is that? To show that on top of that, you don't think. I consider your feelings. You know what I said when I met her?
Where's Percy? Njobe senza abanye abangani bami abantu ababi yena uzenza umuntu
okay ashiyeka abangani bami Percy umuntu omubi
bona bangisizile from during my pregnancy.
Yes.
Where's
Pay? You know, like my man,
asambe manje
akabuyela kubo hamba uyothatha umntwana asambe
sithatha umntwana
yazi the fact that ukhonile masilala umntwana was crying silele athi ukhala kakhulu mina ngizobeka sliding door to show ukuthi uaphile angabeka umntwana wakhe training the fact that umntwana
uhambe for ngizolasha umntwana
almost like whole hour ashiya umntwana
nomntwana la lo muntu asimise banganini bakhe lathi ba right
asale nabangani
maseke ingane efanele ihambe
yazi yini into ebuhlungu ngimkhipha kwi-hotel you can't stay kwi-hotel nomntwana ona 1 week kwi-hotel uhlele nomntwana for 1 week I was like to her chinta kule hotel leyo senze iplan ukuthi ubuyele kini ngithengele nomntwana nempahla namapampers ngabathatha saye 4 ways mall ngathengela umntwana ngeke ngifuna uvela kakhulu ngathengela umntwana impahla namapampers bengithi naye ngimthengela izinto but I didn't have enough money yabo ngathi you know what it's okay she lied sizesifikele la TikTok ngenxa yamangaki okokuqala okwesithu I see ukuthi akana danki and uaphile ugcwele amanga into engiyibonile ngaye and usayifunela impilo yase Joburg and trust me guys uaphile akana ndaba nomntana wakhe uaphile umntana uyakhala la embedeni kodwa ubhizi ngefone uchatha nabangani bakhe umntana akhale aphinde akhala umntwana athini yo wena ukhala kakhulu ngizoze ngikubeka sliding door is that what you can say ungacabanga lokho as a mother bese uzothanda umntana wakho never udanko umuntu omnyama ke lo ngizokulahlela ngempama mina ungacabanga ngoba ukudlele manje
ingakho kade ngithi akuthume
okay
where's Pay
basemaboneni akabuyele emaboneni kuwe yebo
no problem
uyabona njengoba ngithi kuwena yeke lonto yabo nje manje ulwa impe enganasicoco ingakho ngithi mina iyeke ngoba ngiyamazi umuntu othi umsiza masakubonga ngeplate lamasimba angithi ngiyamazi ingakho ngisho kuwena ngithi ithula asikho isidingo sokuthi ukhulume ngoba uzokhuluma kushona ilanga nawe uzoloye ekhuluma nawe uyakhuluma
baba ngichuza ukuye hotel to show ukuthi akana ndaba nomntwana akana ndaba nokuthi ufila kanjani akabuyele emaboneni I can even request for her and pay for the bolt even give like as in I can't even do it.
Let's just make sure ukuthi ufika kahle lapho masim requestela
don't even buy those clothes
angeke
yes and you guys are even helping her akawuboni nalowo danki
if uyangala le mali sikuthele someone
akahamba yohlupheka akahambe nakuba bam-accepte kahle ukuthi she can come back home so it's fine nje singemrequestele manje
ungamrequesteli zala
imancane phela siqale simqede inkulumo la
emfethu afethu nizongixolela kuma comment sections nibonile patience yami from day before yesterday khona manje if ubuyela kulabangani labayana bakhe we're going to take that money anyeke athole even a 1 rand we will donate it to someone else
who needs it also if anything happens kumntwana uyena you see how much we tried ukuthi umntwana simphathe kahle but uma wakhe uyena phela umuntu ongathini umntana phela umntana wakhe uye she can make decisions about that but uphiwe tried nani bantu bako TikTok you guys tried the fact nize namdonethela mbhekeni uhluleke ngisho nakubona kuba kushilo ukuthini bahlulekile bona themselves thina sabo bani ukuthi singamkhona the fact that ushilo athi yena ngeke futhi
guys the baby bafethu I think response kamzala niyayizwa ukuthi nyeke ufoster umuntu ngomntanakhe save the baby bafethu ukuthatha umuntu umntana kumama akhe without the consent or paperwork singazithola senkingeni.
So you see,
so mina ngithi umzala khona manje asithathe sihambe naye sifike simshiye la athi yena uzoba right khona. After lapho we leave sidlule siye kwenye indaba. Nezinto eziningi bekumele ngabe ngizenzile today. Sileli ngo4 I woke up ngo 7:30 ngikhathele namanje mfethu yabo. So please awuthi sifaka abantu abayi2 abayi3 lana umphakathi siza ukuthi bona bathini.